Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to talk about how turning off eBay email notifications. So, we are going to talk about it briefly and fast, so let's get right into it. First of all, you need to go to your account. As you can see, to get to this page, guys, you simply have to go to my eBay right through here and simply click on it, or basically anywhere from this list, and then you will head up to the account section, which is right through here. And from there, you simply have to choose communication preferences. So there is here personal info, selling, payment note information, and donation preferences. And here finally, account preferences, and the right you will find communication preferences. So right ahead and click on it, and here you will have some couple of delivery options about the email and stuff that you can choose to like turn it on and off. So here, for example, delivery options, notification, delivery format. Choose how you want notifications delivered to you. So you can here choose the notifications how they must be for you. Also here you can once you're done with this, you can see here, for example, here buying activity, you can turn all of these things off. For the first one, and I think it is impossible to remove it because like you are a buyer, and basically when you buy an item, you will need to get a notification about the item that has been delivered to you. So turning this off is basically going to make you miss the item that has been delivered. So basically this is why it is not possible to like turn it off. But for the other things, you can simply just uncheck everything from here. The same thing goes for the other options, and just like that you can turn off the email notification. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.